And we are the family built on loyalty, forged in silence and awaken in chaos. We move in the dark, but our presence is always felt. No fake ties, no empty names, only those who proved they belong. We don't ask for respect, we take it. We don't follow the light, we become the shadow behind it. Every move is precise, and every step is deadly. Every name carries a purpose. And this is not just a community. This is a family. This is a recap, a mark left behind by those who refuse to fade. So if you're stepping in, know what you're walking into. Because once you're part of us, you don't just leave. And we are the Shadow Recam Family. And we are known as the Shadows. And now, introducing the captain, the queen, the one who leads the fire and stands above the rest. A name that holds power, a presence you cannot ignore. Ladies and gentlemen, our captain, El, o mas kilala bilang Mulan na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang. Ano naman kung matangkad kang lalaki? Kung ang maliit na katulad ko ay solve ka na, pati ang gabi. Roar!
Yes!
And now, introducing ang mga nagsasarapan at nagpopugian nating co-captains, admins, and members. At unahin natin ang nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, mahalin mo lang ako ng tapat at luluhuran kita kahit tanghaling tapat. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome V.
So nice.
And now, kilalanin naman natin ang binansagang kuya ng pamilya. Ang nag-iiwan ng isang katagang pagbukas ng kalan. Ganun na ba ako kadaling pakawalan? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mark.
Aray! Aray! Nako! Ay, sakit naman ang ginawa mo.
And introducing ang nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa dahil nasa akin na ang pagnanasa, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome S.
So nice.
Girl, you know I've been fiending. Wake up in the late night, been dreaming about your loving. Girl, you know I don't need candles and cake, just need your body to make.
At susunod, ipinapakilala ang nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, pwede mo akong sandalan pag may problema ka. Pwede ka rin pumatong para malutas na. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Veer.
Wow!
At susunod, ang di umano'y binansagang broken ng pamilya. Ang nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, kumain ka ng pinya para dumami ang mata at makita ang aking halaga. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Kashin!
Ilig ko, miss na miss kita. Sana'y lagi kitang kasama.
And introducing ang binansagang di umano'y playboy daw. At nag-iiwan ito ng kasabihang, bakit pa ako kakain ng gulay? Kung pwede naman, ang iyong puday. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Jay.
Wow.
Kainin mo na, Kuya Jay.
So nice.
Birthday sex, birthday sex.
And introducing ang babaeng binansagan di umanong boses kiki at cute ng pamilya pero sa totoo gurang naman na pala. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Leia at nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihang tangkilikin ang sariling atin at magmahal ng mas matanda pa sa akin. Roar!
Wow.
Wine up, wine up, wine up, oh yeah. Wine up, wine up, wine up, oh yeah. Wine up, wine up, wine up, oh yeah. Wine up, wine up.
Lead Match Community, ipinapakilala ang di umano'y mapagmahal ng pamilya. Nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, bakit pa ako mag-aaral ng history? Kung pwede naman nating gawin ang ating story. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Via. At susunod, ang nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, quiet enough to be overlooked, powerful enough to be unforgettable. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Aki.
Yes.
And next up, ang nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, hindi man ako doktor na gagamot sa'yo, ako naman ang lalaking magpapatunay kung positive o negative tayo. Roar! Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Rue. And susunod, ang binansagang sweet boy daw ng pamilya. At di umano'y nag-iiwan ng isang katagang para kang password. Mahirap hulaan pero madaling palitan pag nakalimutan. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Ezo.
Sexy lady, I like your flow. Hold up. Your body's burning.
And ladies and gentlemen, ang binansagang sweet girl daw ng pamilya. Please welcome Saichi na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, try and try until you die, baby.
When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. 간판 내리고 문 잠가 shutdown. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. It's black and it's pink once the sun down.
At ang huli tagline sa pamilya. Ang lalaking tanging nagpapatibok ng puso ng aming kapitana. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Milan na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang subukan mo lang landiin ang taong mahal ko. Papayag naman ako, basta handa kang basagin ko yung pagbumuka mo.
Bombaya. Yeah, 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 bombaya. Yeah, 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 bombaya. Yeah, 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 yeah. Boom, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba. Oppa. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
At syempre, bago matapos ang BGM na ito, hindi natin makakalimutan ang ibang member ng Shadows. Andyan sila, Aye, Seji, Dane, Kay, Icarus, Reman, Jeyo, Shin, Kai, and last but never least is Skylar.
Sa tibay ng lupa, ako'y nakatindig. Sa bigan ng mundo, ako'y di matitinag. Puso kong matatag sa katotohanan, handang isugal ang aking buhay.
And once again, we are not just a community, we are a family built on loyalty, bound by brotherhood and fear and silence. And we are known as the Shadows.
Awit ng lupa, tinig ng lakas, pantay ng lahi, tagapagtanggol ng wagas. Kung bubuo man ang mundo sa paligid, ako ang lupa, matibay at matatag.